Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Gemini and uploading the photo you want to edit. Once uploaded, make sure you choose Edit Image so tools load correctly. This speeds processing and preserves quality. If you prefer, set a specific canvas size. Gemini will reframe intelligently. While the background loads, pick an initial goal like color correction or object removal so the tool prioritizes those operations. Finally, confirm permissions and wait for the preview before you proceed to more detailed adjustments. Now you apply targeted edits. Use the magic eraser to remove distractions, adjusting brush size for edges and hardness for clean blends. Next, work through tone, color, and exposure sliders. Small moves yield natural results, so you avoid clipping highlights or crushing shadows. Use local adjustments for faces or skies and employ layers or history to compare versions. This helps you keep non-destructive control. Once done, zoom to 100% to inspect edges and fine-tune feathering for a seam. To finish, export your final image in the format and quality you need. PNG preserves transparency while JPEG keeps file size down. Make sure metadata settings match your privacy needs. If you see artifacts or haloing, reopen the edit, apply the healing brush to problem areas, and rerun edge smoothing. If Gemini stalls or is slow, save a copy, clear the app cache, or reload the session. This often resolves performance hiccups and ensures your clean export completes successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.